Almost 2 years ago, I made a video that got over 40 million views, which is a crazy number to even think about. And in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how much YouTube paid me for it and how much I'm making from it still to this day. I'll also be covering everything that you need to know about how YouTube pays its content creators if you're a total beginner and you're wondering how it all works. Now, to give you guys a little bit of a backstory, this is my most viral video to date on YouTube. And as you guys can see on the screen, it has 43 million views. And to be exact, I got 43,757,621 views to this day. You can also see that I uploaded it on January 31st of 2023. So it's been over a year since I first posted it. And the crazy thing about this video is that it still gets millions of views every single quarter, which is just something that still blows my mind to this day. Now, before I show you guys how much YouTube actually paid me, it's important to let you guys know that not everybody makes the same amount of money from their ad revenue because not everybody makes the same content. For example, a channel that makes videos about gaming is probably going to make less money than a channel that talks about business or making money online. It's also different from YouTube long form videos versus YouTube shorts, which is the video that went viral for me. And just so we're on the same page with the terms that YouTube uses, there's two acronyms that you guys need to know about. There's CPM and then there's RPM. CPM is cost per mil, and this is basically how much money your video made for every 1,000 views. RPM is gonna be revenue per mil, and this is basically how much you make as the content creator from the video. So YouTube takes a 45% cut, meaning that you get 55% of the CPM. To give you an example, let's say that one of your videos has a CPM of $5 for every 1,000 views. If your video got 5,000 views, then your video is making $25, but after the 45% cut, you're making about $13 to $14 in RPM as the content creator. Now, obviously, this is on the lower end. There are many channels out there that have CPMs that are over $100, but this is just a simple example of how it works. Okay, so now that you know how pay works on YouTube and how it's different, let's break down how much money YouTube paid me for my most viral video. Okay, so starting off with the first 24 hours of uploading this video, I got 8,000 views, which was 4,000 more than usual, and I got 5 subscribers, and there wasn't enough data to calculate an estimated revenue. Then over the next 4 days, this short got 12,000 views and 8 subscribers and a total revenue of 83 cents. So this is barely anything at this point. Then, I don't know what happened, but out of nowhere, the views just jumped up super high. So I went from getting 28,000 views on one day on February 12th to 33,000 views on February 13th, 49,000 views on February 14th, and then boom, out of nowhere, 112,000 views on February 15th. So this is about 15 days after the video has been posted, and it's now starting to go a little bit viral. Then it gets even crazier, and it goes from 100,000 views to 276,000 views on one day the next day, so February 16th. So I'm thinking to myself like, wow, this video is starting to actually catch up now for some reason. And at this point, I've gotten 596,000 views, so over 500,000, 281 subscribers, and $45 in revenue. And then again, just another huge burst of views. On the very next day, I got 459,000 views. And so now I'm at over 1 million and I'm at $80 in revenue. And you guys can see here that within the first 29 days, so from the 31st of January to the 28th of February, I got 8 million views, 3,000 subscribers, and I made $558. So the peak of it was right here on February 19th, where I got 1.5 million views on just one day. Now, I thought it was gonna stop there, but I don't know why, but it just kept on blowing up. And then from February, it kind of died down a little bit. And then in March is when it kind of took off a little bit again, getting about 500,000 views per day. And so at this point, within the first 2 months, I'm at 18 million views, 8,000 subscribers, and $1,000 in revenue. This is like the most money I've ever made from a short at this point, and I'm just super ecstatic. I'm like, yo, I didn't know that you can make this much from YouTube Shorts. Now from there, the next month, April, was not too big compared to the other months, but here's where it gets even crazier. So pretty much from April all the way to August of 2023, there's not really that much spike in the views. But then out of nowhere, starting in August 23rd, I want to say, it started to jump up again, and by now I got another 10 million views, which equated to 13,000 subscribers and over $2,000 in estimated revenue in 2023. So yeah, this is pretty much a year after posting the video. And then for 2024, I wouldn't say that it went like super crazy, but there have been some months where it reaches, hundred thousands in terms of views. And this is like a per day basis, by the way. So since the beginning of 2024, I've gotten 13 million extra views, another 6,000 subscribers, and $1,748 in revenue. And if we look at the engagement, I've had a little over 250,000 hours of watch time from this short over the span of its entire life. So looking at the revenue, you guys can see that right here, the revenue for every 1,000 views, so the RPM, is 9 cents. So if I look at the lifetime views, subscribers, estimated revenue, all that stuff, this is what I get. I get 43.7 million views, 19,600 subscribers, and almost $4,000 in estimated revenue to this day. And it's just crazy to think about it because real time, like updating live, in the last 48 hours, this video has gotten 236,000 views. To this day, it's still getting this many views, which is so crazy to me. The reason why it went so viral, I think, is because of how controversial the topic is for the military. So if you guys didn't know, that's what I make content about. It's about military stuff. So yeah, it's not too much, but it's not bad either. This is my most viral short form video, so most of my other videos don't even come close to this. But hopefully this was able to give you guys some more insight on how much you can expect to make off of a viral short form video on YouTube. Of course, if you're making long form content, 40 million views would make you way more money. And by the way, I'm not showing you all this information to brag. My goal is to be able to motivate you guys and show you guys what is possible. Doing YouTube for a living is not easy, and if you're a beginner, then you can easily become demotivated if your videos are not getting as many views as you'd like. But I want you guys to know that it is possible. You just have to have an optimistic mindset and be consistent. Because you guys, I was pumping out content constantly for over a year before I had a viral video like this. So even if your videos aren't getting that many views right now, don't give up. I remember when I first started, my TikToks, my Instagram Reels, and my YouTube Shorts were only getting a couple hundred views per video. But over time, I kept trying new things, and eventually I figured out what works for my audience and for me, and now I can say that it's starting to pay off. This video going viral, over 40 million views, led to my other videos getting a lot of views as well. So for that first month of posting that short form video, I got 18.6 million views, over 100,000 hours of watch time, almost 8,000 subscribers, and I made $1,600 in total. Currently, I'm at a little over 90,000 subscribers. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. I normally don't make content about YouTube and how a content business works, but if this was interesting and you guys want to know more, comment down below any questions that you guys have, any video requests, or anything else that I can share to help you guys. I'm also going to be leaving a link down below for you guys to check out a free guide that I made on how to make your first $1,000 on YouTube. It's a very quick read on everything that I wish someone told me when I was getting started, so check it out with the link down below. It's 100% free. I know when I first started out on YouTube, a big question that I had was how to actually make money on YouTube and how much money other full-time YouTubers made. So I hope this video was helpful. This channel is all about helping military members on things like money, finance, investing, and just good information that isn't normally talked about in the military. So if you got something from this video, please leave a like and subscribe so that this video can show other people out there what's possible. And if you're trying to start content creation seriously, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.